Continuing coverage on yesterday's severe weather. Investigators have confirmed that an EF1 tornado touched down and left a path of destruction in Fort Walton Beach. The hardest hit area was on Okaloosa Island, and video of the tornado shows the power of the wind. News 5's Cody Long has been there all day long. He's live now with people how they're cleaning up there. Cody?
Yeah, Devin, we are here in one of the hardest hit areas. You can see behind me, they are still putting up this fence out here. The tornado came this way. It actually caused some damage over here, knocked out the window of this car. It also ripped off the roof right up here. People have been inside here all day trying to clean up the mess and just save what they can.
Oh, God, it's gone. Go, 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 go.
This incredible viewer video is showing the tornado as it makes landfall on Okaloosa Island. Michelle Seitz was cooking dinner in the kitchen upstairs here on Selfish Drive, and her husband Bob was watching golf on WKRG.
And Channel 5 came on and said that there was a tornado warning in Fort Walton Beach, not a watch, and that it was coming down Santa Rosa Boulevard.
She and Bob ran downstairs to get away from windows. In the meantime, windows were being blown out upstairs and the roof was ripped off.
So it's from there I could see the sky. Yeah. So then we looked out there, and there's a tornado right in the middle of the sound, right where that stripe is going. It was going that way.
The path continued north, hitting St. Mary's Catholic Church and apartments on Robinwood Drive. These strong winds turned these bleachers into a mangled mess. And I'll have more from those areas, and you'll hear from one woman who lives nearby and goes to that church. Her son goes to the Catholic school, and you'll hear about what they experienced tonight at 10 o'clock. Reporting live in Fort Walton Beach, Cody Long, WKRG News 5, local coverage you can count on.